for example kan, digital logic digital logic. Okay, now the question is just like this. Use what is SOP? Use SOP or POS. It will state SOP or POS. Or else if they don't state use SOP or POS, you have to use SOP. SOP, you must remember 1. The value is the true value is always 1. The POS, the true value is 0. Okay, you just have to remember that. Okay, for this example, we try to use SOP. Okay, use SOP to simplify this equation, or the question will be like, simplify this equation using Karnaugh maps, K maps. Then they will state SOP or POS, or if they don't state, just use SOP. Okay, and then the question is F equals to A. F, you know that it is result BC naught plus A naught BC plus AB not C. Okay, first you have to do is you look at the question and then you go, okay, A naught is false, right? So false in SOP is 0. The true one is 1. So we do 0, 0, 1, 1. The true one, let it be 1, and then the rest, the not, will be 0. Okay, and then you go 2 to the power of n. What is n? N is the number of variable. We have A, B, and C. So there's 3 variable. So 2 to the power of 3 equals to 8, right? So we have to do 8 box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like this. And then what you have to do, you have to remember this number 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. It cannot be different from this sequence because we must only change 1 digit per box. You see it? Here change, and then here change, and then here change. Only 1 digit per box. And then this one 0, 1. Okay, let's say if the number of variable A, B, C, D, right? So we have to do 2 to the power of 4 equals to 16. So we have to draw a 16 box. How? Take this one, 16, 3, and 4. Okay, now this one is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, right? So this one is also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. Okay, this one you must remember 0, 1 only. Okay, so now, okay, so now what do? We look at the equation. A naught is equals to 0, right? A naught 0, 1, 0. So we look from the left hand side. Okay, I forgot to tell you that this is, I erase this. The above part is BC. This is A. If they have 16 box, this part is AB, this part is CD. Okay, so this one only one at the left, so A, and then both at BC at the above. Okay, now A naught, B, C naught, 0, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 0. So they must be here. We write 1 under the possible, 0, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 0. There lah 1. Like that kan. Don't know how to say it. And then not A, B, C. 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1 here. You write 1 at the possible one. And then 1, 1, 0. So 1, 1, 0 here. Okay. Done. Okay. The other box, you write 0. Okay. Next, you have to do the K-maps. The K-maps is very simple actually. You just have to map the like this and like this. Okay, if let's say we have something like 1 here and then 1 here, we can do like roll the paper and then we can do the maps here. If like this, we cannot do diagonal. Cannot. Okay. If like this, 1, 3 cannot also. Must be even. Like 1, 2, you can do that. 1, 2, 3. And then if 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, you can do that. But it cannot be odd number of 1. Okay, so you have now you have Allah. Now you have 2 maps, right? First one, you have this. Second one, you have this one. Okay, so just do the equation. First, the first one, F equals to, okay, now we look at this. Both one have the same A, right? Their A is 0. So we take that the same value, we take that. Okay, A is 0, but 0 means not. Okay, and then look at this one. Both value have the same B but different C. Their B is true, and then their C, one is true, one is false. One is C, one is C not. So we don't want the different one, we just want the similar one, which is their B. This B. So their B is B, not B not, so B. Okay, that's all. We don't want the different one, remember. We just want the similar one. Okay. Second, we have this. Okay, they have the similar B and C, right? Which is 1 and 0. So we automatically will take that in our equation, which is B and not C. Okay, we look at their A. Their A is different, so don't take the A. That's all. Okay, now we have to sum this up. A not B plus B not C. Okay, we can do like this or just leave it like this. It's alright. Okay, but their symbolic graph, their graphic symbol will be different. If this one, you can do like this. AB is product, right? That means both must be true. So N. Like I told you, we have to memorize this graphical symbol. And this is A, not B. And then another one is also N, so B and C not. Okay. and then they plus, right? Plus means or. So we do the or. The or symbol is like this, right? They have a curve in the bottom. Okay, so we just attach it here, and then the last one will be F, the result. Okay, this is ni. Okay, 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 what about the other one? Okay, the other one, we have to do it like this. Okay, B A naught plus C, right? So A naught plus C is or, plus is or, right? So we do like this. B C naught, right? A naught plus C. A naught or C. And then they attach with B, which is AND. B multiplied by A plus C, right? So B is AND, so like this, and then F. And then we B, like that. This is AND, graphical symbol, this is OR. So A plus C multiplied by B. This one, AB plus BC. Yeah, like that.